Good morning, students. Today, in the class of Sales and Distribution Management, we'll discuss the approaches to the sales territories, okay, or approaches to the territory coverage as well as the administrations. It is one of the very interesting topic. So, before we are going to that of the subject, till now we have covered a lot of things that we know very well. Last class we have already discussed, that is about the buyers and sellers relationship, personal sellings, many more things we have already discussed. So today the very interesting topic it is what happened, that is approaches to territory coverage and administrations. Okay. So this is it is one important topic, that is in the case of the sales management, because students listen here, the service of every personnel is maybe the limited. Per se, for account for finance manager, it is up to the four wall in the organizations. Doctor from hospital to home or from nursery, that is from medical to home. The teacher from classroom to home, or the college or schools to the home. But for the marketing candidate, there is no time, there is no area, okay? So he can achieve whatever the target he have, and how much time he is to work, that depend upon his efficiency, and that depend upon his patience. The area means the territory coverage, means we have to see that is at what limit extent that is he can do, at what limited extent he can that is work for the betterment of the organizations. That is the one of the very, because I have already told you, that is only the marketing personnels, they do not have particular time, they do not have particular area, they do not have, that is whatever the other holidays you can say, or any vacations, whatever may be. There will be no particular area also, that is at any time they can do the business. Whatever they are doing, they are only getting the what? For the betterment of the organization and also for the self-development. Okay? So here we will discuss about some of the very good approaches by the experts, marketing experts, those who are covering the void, that is the about the territory coverage as well as the administration about that of the sales peoples. Okay? So let us discuss one by one. Okay? First approach, that is what happened, we can say that is the breakdown approach. Okay. Second point, incremental approach. Third, that is market build up approach. Okay. Fourth point, that is workload approach. Okay. So my dear students, this four approach is the figurized represent the efficiency and the that is the dedicate of the what the sales peoples. My dear students, in the case of the breakdown approach, and when we will discuss of the incremental and the market build approach and the workload approach. So first of all, what is this? The breakdown approach. What do you mean by the breakdown? You know, the starting from the organization to how much that salesperson will move. That is covering of the areas, because if you say for example, if you say that is the whole India is a one country, the whole country is divided into 29 states, and the 29 states is also many districts, and how they are going, how the marketing people, they are covering whole world, that is 100 crores of more than 100 crores of people. They are covering every corner of the villages or the area. They have some limitations. They have some what? The coverage. According to that, they have been appointed. Some are appointed as a what? There is a zonal wise. Some was appointed as a representative, but that is a district wise. Someone appointed as a state wise, because they are distributing the works so that what happened, one has to focus his own customer at a particular area, and till that he has to cover that area until he has no breakdown efficiency. Means what happened, up to that the limited approach, that is the unlimited that is the customers are there, and up to he has to go up to that of level where he can, that is cut off, or where he can he cannot stop the work, but he cannot, that is what happened, work more, what he can by making a small content only can get the achieve his market. Okay. Breakdown means what we cannot say that it is a breakdown. It is only always on the continuing. It is the name only the breakdown. Means he has to stop it. Say देखो particular area में अगर एक area में अगर particularly ये एक area है, okay, ये area में that is what, that is 100 customers are there. If we choose that is what happened, that is 60% coverage कर दिया, इसका मतलब 60% that is customer in hand, means he can say that he is in the better position. Then he can follow, and he will not try to, that is cut off the customers, whatever he can do up to his own level. That is what the breakdown approach is. Means he should focus, or he should go fast to the market up to the level where he can get his own market in particular area. Similarly, so many, that is personnel who are engaged in different area for their area, they are working, and in order whatever they are accumulating, and it is the collecting the target for the organizations. From any area, it is what happened, that is going to the one organizations. Many functions to one function, that is what we can say. From many functions, many one functions, all will work for the organizations, for the functions of the organization. That is the breakdown approach. What is this incremental approach? The incremental approach means what? How it is increased. That we have to know it. My dear students, the performance, the promotional activities, starting from sales forecast to that of the ending of the sales, all it is one chain. One has to cross another process one by one. It is one of the developing stage. It is one of the developing, that is the approach. One not the decreased, one has to increased. Maybe on the area wise, maybe on his efficiency, maybe on his, that is according the customer, whatever it may, in what way, in any, that is his own, that is a way of marketing or way of selling activities, whatever may be, he has to cross that of the limit, or he has to go up to that of the organizational goal. Okay, and that is lead to that of the performance of the salesman also. And the company is also looking to that of the salesman is also looking to the customer. Okay, these are also what going on. What? That is the incremental approach. Means one has to move ahead. That is increasing one by one, acquiring one by one and one by one. It is due to that of the move to the final goal. Another, the market build-up approach. It is a very that is a good approach. मार्केट को कैसे बिल्ड करना, मार्केट को कैसे खड़े करना, ये अपने मार्केटिंग सेल्स पीपल का तजुर्बा ही बताएगा. एक एक कंपनी के एक एक सेल्समैन होते हैं ना, वो दूसरे कंपनी को एंटर भी करवा देते नहीं. वो इतना मार्केटिंग को होल्ड करके रखा है. द कस्टमर्स ऑलवेज फेसिंग टू दैट ओनली, दैट कमोडिटी ओनली. उनका नेम, उनका गुडविल, ये सब भी मेंटेन करते हैं. और मार्केटिंग, दैट इज so many strategies, so many risks, so many difficulties will come in the way of the such peoples. No doubt, we cannot avoid these things. But even though, because that we know that is competition is very regular habit in the market. That is the reduction, or that is the what we can say, that is benefits the customer what they want. That is the day-to-day activities. But how the sales people has to handle these things, that he has to know it, and how to, that is, build up the market in his own area, so that one cannot enter, and he should that regular systematic manner, so that one customer should not go away from you. That he has to think it. जो बैठते हैं ना, एक बार मार्केट हो गया ना, घर बैठे बैठे इनकम, जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अपने पास दो तीन बंदा रख दिए, उनको भेज दिए, फोन कॉल हो गया, मैनेजर के हिसाब से, बाकी जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, दे विल डू द वर्क. In this way you will connect the work, and you have to build the market. That much of your talent, your the dedication, and your dutiful, all the things, it will depend upon the market build approach. And that is it shows that is the what efficiency of the sales people. And another, that is the workload. मैंने पहले से बोल चुका हूं, that is, it is not the work of the four wall, not inside the work of the inside the four wall. It is the more areas, the open bar. How a bar move is a cage bar, and that is the free bar. Remember it. Why I am taking this example? That is, if cage bar means he has that cage bar will move inside that cage only. The boundary is limited. But the open bar or the free bar, he can move anywhere in the sky. There is no destinations. No one will harm. So इसी तरह मार्केटिंग का भी वर्कलोड ज्यादा होता है, और वो वर्कलोड कैसे सॉफ्ट करेंगे, कैसे इजी करेंगे, दैट इज मोस्टली डिपेंड अपॉन द सेल्स पीपल्स. ओके, सो वी कैनॉट इग्नोर द वर्कलोड्स. अगर जो बोलते हैं ना, मेवा खाने के लिए हमें तकलीफ भी क्यों उठाना पड़ता है, वही है. मेवा खाना है ना, खाना हो तो मेवा अगर खाएंगे तो हमें बहुत सारा तकलीफ को भी उठाना पड़ेगा, बहुत सारा वर्क करना पड़ेगा, बहुत सारे उसके ऊपर जो कि निर्भर करते हैं, कस्टमर से लेकर, कंपनी से लेकर, मिडिलमैन से लेकर, सभी उसके ऊपर निर्भर करते हैं. वो किस सबको हैंडल करके चलना चाहिए. वी कैनॉट से दैट इज फ्री, दैट इज और लेस वर्कलोड. इट इज अ मोर वर्क. जितना वर्कलोड वो जितना कवर करेंगे, वो जितना वर्कलोड, जितना वो प्रेशर लेंगे, उतना उनका दैट इज इंक्रीमेंट होगा, उनका ही ज्यादा प्रॉफिट आएगा, मुनाफा आएगा, or company will respect that salesperson. Otherwise, लेजी लेथरसी बन जाएंगे, मार्केट को कवर नहीं करेंगे, रिजल्ट जो होगा हमें पता है. क्योंकि टुडे आजकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो भी कुछ चाहता है दैट इज द रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड होता है. इफ कंपनी इज रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड, व्हाई नॉट वी शुड बी रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड. वी ऑल्सो हैव द रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड. अपना अपना तरीका होता है वो कैसे मार्केटिंग को कवर करना है, दैट वी हैव टू सी. सो चलो जो भी है दैट इज वर्कलोड का भी कंडीशन जो भी है हमें उसका प्रेशराइज कूद लेना है और मार्केट को कवर करना है. दैट इज द व्हाट पेन वन ऑफ द मेजर, दैट इज द व्हाट, दैट इज द दीज आर द मोर दैट इज द व्हाट, दैट इज द वर्कलोड अप्रोचेस. अनदर थिंग्स, सो इन ऑर्डर टू go for these things we have to some, that is what you say, procedures are there, some general procedures to be followed. For setting up sales territories. One point is, that is selecting a basic geographical units. Number 2, making an account analysis. Third point, developing a salesperson workload analysis. Fourth point, combining geographical control units into sales territories. Fifth point, assigning sales personnel to territories. My dear students, listen here now. This is the one things we have to discuss it. That is some procedures to be applied or to be followed while setting up the sales territories. ये भी एक मैनेजमेंट की तरह काम कर रहे हैं. इससे भी प्लानिंग की जरूरत है. बिना प्लानिंग से हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. So whatever we are talking about it, we have to discuss this. That is, without planning we cannot go ahead. That is, before fixing the duties to the sales personnel, we have to plan. हमारा goods, the company should discuss with the marketing experts, the sales people, where we have to sell it, where we have to focus our product, so that we can get large amount of customers and we can build up the market build up approach what we have here, that we have to highlight it. Okay, so before I am going to see, so first of all I have to say that is the selecting the basic geographical units. मैंने पहले से बोल चुका हूं, वन कंट्री, अगर इंडिया की बात करेंगे, वन कंट्री, 29 states, 7 union territories are there. Again, every state have many districts are there. every district में headquarters are there, villages are there. How they have to achieve each and every area, that is to be selected by the organizations. मैं कहाँ पे जाऊंगा, ये मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी बनाकर मार्केटिंग से कलेक्शन इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्टिंग करने के बाद वो फोकस कर सकते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को, ताकि उनका प्रोडक्ट उनका मार्केटिंग का कुछ वैल्यूलेस नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर बिना प्लानिंग बिना देखे समझे अगर मार्केट को जंप करेंगे, इसका मतलब वी आर विल टू फेस द लॉस बिकॉज सो मेनी कंपटीटर्स आर देयर। कस्टमर क्या चाहते हैं हमें उसे भी देखना चाहिए। सो इसलिए बेटा क्या करना है, हमें ज्योग्राफिकल यूनिट को या ज्योग्राफिकल प्लेसेस को या ज्योग्राफिक एरिया को हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है, कौन से एरिया में हम इसे प्रपोज कर सकते हैं और कौन से एरिया में हमें ये स्टार्टअप कर सकते हैं बिजनेस। ओके, और वी कैन लॉन्च आवर ओन प्रोडक्ट। दैट इज द वन थिंग, दैट इज द सिलेक्टिंग द ज्योग्राफिकल व्हाट, दैट इज द यूनिट्स। Another, the second point, that is the making and account analysis. ये सभी हमें खुद बिफोर डेप्यूटिंग द सेल्स पर्सनल हमें स्ट्रैटेजी लगाना चाहिए, हमें इंफॉर्मेशन करना चाहिए, अकाउंटेबिलिटी होना चाहिए, एनालिसिस करना चाहिए कि बिजनेस हो सका या नहीं, कि कौन से बिजनेस ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे कौन से हमारे ओन प्रोडक्ट का या इसी तरह प्रोडक्ट का कोई अदर कंपनी अगर लॉन्च किया है कितना बिजनेस होता है, ये सभी अकाउंटेबिलिटी होना जरूरी है। ओके, अगर इफ द मार्केट डिमांड्स मोर देन व्हाई नॉट विल स्टे देयर। ओके, अगर मार्केट डिमांड नहीं कर रहा है तब भी हमें देखना चाहिए कि किस तरह की हमें मार्केट में उभरना है, किस तरह मार्केट को आना है। ये सभी दैट इज द व्हाट हैपेंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी होना चाहिए। अगर अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं होंगे तो या इसे हिसाब किताब के ढांचा से नहीं रखेंगे तो हमें मार्केट को भी कवर नहीं कर पाएंगे। सेल्समैन जाएंगे आएंगे, टीए डी एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन खर्चा होगा, बट उसका कोई हिसाब नहीं रहेगा, रिजल्ट भी नहीं आएगा। मैं पहले से बोल चुका हूं कि दैट इज रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड होना जरूरी है। रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड कोई कंपनी देखेगा तो वो सपना नहीं होगा, पूरा सभी देखना है। मार्केटिंग टीम जो कि मार्केटिंग पर्सनल दे आर इन्वॉल्विंग इन द मार्केट, दे हैव टू सी इट। सो अकाउंट एनालिसिस होना जरूरी है, चाहे एक पैसा का क्यों ना है, पर एक कस्टमर का क्यों ना है या होल मार्केट का क्यों ना हो, हमें वी हैव टू सी इट, वी हैव टू फोकस दैट इज द होल द थिंग्स, वी हैव टू कंसीडर इट द होल बेसिस आल्सो। ओके, अनदर and you have to the developing a salesperson workload analysis. मैं पहले से यहाँ पे बोल चुका हूँ that is the workload approach. It is the only that is related to the efficiency of the sales people. Okay? हमें उनको जो कि समझाना चाहिए, हमें उनको इंक्रीज करने जो कि एनकरेज करना चाहिए, कंपनी की तरफ से होना चाहिए या अपने सीनियर से भी होना चाहिए कि हमें कैसे सेल्स पर्सन को वर्कलोड एनालिसिस करना चाहिए, कैसे वर्क लाएंगे, कितना वर्क लाएंगे, कितना काम करना पड़ेगा, ये सभी उनको सही सिस्टम से हमें उन्हें बताना चाहिए। अगर ये नहीं कर पाएंगे तो वी विल नॉट सी और विल नॉट गेट डेफिनेट रिजल्ट। कोई भी आदमी दैट इज कितना भी काम करे उसको पावर या एफिशिएंसी के ऊपर ही निर्भर करता है। अगर मैं लेथार्जी बन जाऊंगा, मुझे काम करने के लिए मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, मैं कैसे काम करूंगा ज्यादा। मेरे हिसाब से और मेरा दोस्त जो है वो बहुत सारा काम कर रहे होंगे तो उनको बहुत सारा प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है, इंक्रीमेंट मिल रहा है, उनको डेवलपिंग स्टेज में लिया जाता है। क्यों लिया जाता है? उनको मैं उन्हें फॉलो करना चाहिए। किस तरह मुझे लाना पड़ेगा? अगर मैं खुश हुआ, अगर मैं इफ आई विल वर्क फॉर द कंपनी विद द एफर्ट, then I have to focus, that is also same to the customer, that is my duty। चाहे जितना भी प्रेशर क्यों ना हो, जितना भी वर्कलोड क्यों ना हो, that is I have to collect it, that is I have to respond the whole things, that is in the marketing sense. So that is what happened, we can say that is the what. So हमें यहाँ पे वर्कलोड को एनालिसिस करके that is what we have to see, that is how that is the sales personnel will work. हमें प्रेशराइज देना चाहिए, प्रेशराइज लेना चाहिए, हमें मार्केट को होल्ड करने के लिए हमें कोशिश भी करना चाहिए, दैट इज कंपनी हैज टू एनकरेज अस, कंपनी हैज टू डेवलप ऑल द थिंग्स, ओके, अदरवाइज विल नॉट बी सक्सेस इन दिस कैटेगरीज, ओके. So this is one of, that is the what, that is the developing the sales personnel workload analysis. Another, combining geographical control unit into the sales territory. देखो मैं पहले से बोल चुका हूं, जैसे कंट्री के हिसाब से देखा मैंने, कंट्री इज डिवाइडेड इनटू स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज, एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज से लेकर दैट इज क्या हुआ, डिस्ट्रिक्ट आया, डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हेडक्वार्टर से दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड विलेजेस ऑल दी. सिमिलरली एक एक यूनिट को जुड़ाकर व्हाट, दैट इज वी कैन मेक ए व्हाट टेरिटरीज. सी sales people is targeting to one area. 2 or 3 sales people they will work and they will focus to that is the district manager. And suppose for Odisha, for example, हमारे यहाँ पर 30 district है, so district manager will work to that of the particular state manager. State manager को लेकर एक रीजन मैनेजर होगा, रीजनल मैनेजर होगा, जो कि ईस्टर्न जोन होगा, नहीं तो वेस्टर्न जोन होगा, जो भी कुछ होगा, जोनल मैनेजर होंगे. जोनल मैनेजर से हिसाब से दैट इज अगेन दे विल मीट एट द वन, दैट इज द एट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एट द यूनिट एट वन. जैसे ऊपर से नीचे आए थे, नीचे से लेकर भी हमें परफॉर्मेंस को भी वही देखना पड़ेगा, एक रिजल्ट होगा. क्योंकि मैंने बोल चुका हूं, सिंगल result oriented or every individuals result oriented ही लेकर, सबका लेकर ही कंपनी का क्या, दैट इज रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड होता है, कंपनी का गोल होता है. अगर उसके ऊपर अगर हम ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो हम कैसे होंगे, क्योंकि सम प्रोस एंड कॉन्स आर देयर, सम मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स आर देयर. कहीं पे मार्केट ला सकते हैं, कहीं पे मार्केट ना ला सकते हैं, बट उसके एवरेज को हमें कवर करना चाहिए. उस एवरेज को फोकस करने के लिए उसको लिए हमें हर कोने को जाना चाहिए, और वही से हिसाब से हमें क्या करना है, ज्योग्राफिकल कंट्रोल भी कैसे किया जाएगा वो भी देखना चाहिए. क्योंकि फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल नॉट कम टू कंट्रोल द दैट इज ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द कंट्री. उसके लिए उसका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं, उसके लिए उनका ओन जो पर्सन जो गए एमपी या एमएलए बन के, उन लोगों के लिए वो कलेक्ट करते हैं डाटा. उसी तरह हमें कंट्रोलिंग करने के लिए दैट इज सेल्स टेरिटरी को बनाना चाहिए. कंबाइनिंग करके यूनिट को लेकर टेरिटरी करने से हमें कंट्रोल भी एफिशिएंट भी कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि जनरल when the organization is asking question to general manager, the general manager will ask to that of the that is the regional manager, and the regional manager will be asked to the district manager or the sales representative. This control will be lie in chain order. And another what we can say, that is what we have to assign the sales persons to the territories. After complying all the things that we have know, that is the what we have to self forecasting and all the things that we have to, that is appoint or assign the duties to the salesperson to build up the market. After analyzing all the things, after collecting the informations, after serving the market strategy, after knowing the everything the customer's view, and after distributing all the things, the local wise or the area wise, geographical different area wise, then after when will that is satisfy all the things, then you have to assign the personals or the sales personnel into the what happen, that is to the territories. They will what happen, they will go to the market, they will make their own efficiency, they will be they will show their own dedication, and in which they have to build their own what? Marketing field. My dear students, this is the completely approach that is regarding one part where we have to coverage these territories, and this is the one administration process, that is how that is they interrelated each other, and they have to what? Focus all the things at a time. One, we cannot achieve these things, never. One, we cannot ignore one of the things. Most basically, they have to follow all the things rule, and they have to go to the market in which they have to success all the things. So मैंने पहले से बोल चुका हूँ कि that is marketing, that is it is not a particularly that is a small work. It is basically a unit of the work, unit of the persons, and unit of the that is different strategies, different plannings. By all together, only we have to success, or we have to that is reaching the organizational goal. Okay. So we cannot ignore any one of the things. We cannot ignore. If we will ignore any one of the things, then it is the result is the failure. Result is failure means that is we cannot get a single pie from the organization. We can expect the single pie from the organizations. Okay. So this is the approaches, and the regarding the what happened, we have the coverage, that is the things. In the next class, we'll study about some features, or that is some case studies maybe about regarding about the subjects and many more things. Okay, thank you, and have a